We're at the old Sawmill Cafe. Check it out. I guess they have a really good buffet and some little plates. So we're going to give this a try. It's in Forrest, Arkansas. The old Sawmill dessert bar. You got barbecue, meatballs, potatoes, greens, chicken, taco meat with the cheese, barbecued. And they have a salad bar. Looks pretty good. Pudding, jello, coleslaw. $12.99. All you can eat. There's the prices. Okay, we're here at the old Sawmill Cafe. And Kath, what did you get on yours?
I have some taco mixture, potatoes, beans, corn, a couple pieces of fruit, pulled pork, and chicken. I'm going to give it a whirl.
Okay, I got I went and got chicken, mashed potatoes, gravy, green beans, and pulled pork. Looks really good. You'll have to give it a try. We'll let you know. Talk to you later.
It's really good.
Yeah, let's try it one more time, Marty.
Okay.
Hey, Marty, what did you get here?
So I got some nachos, put some jalapenos on them. I also had some lettuce and tomatoes, things you could throw on it, but that's normally not for me. Got like a pork, or I think it's a pork, hammered out pork steak here with some gravy on top, some hominy. The greens are really good. They got fresh bacon inside of them. Haven't tried the chicken yet, and they got tons of biscuits up there too. So
You're in Christie.
Same. Some fried pork steak. It's really good. This pulled pork's really good, and the collard greens are good.
And Kath, how are you liking yours?
Looks good.
Good?
I'm trying to eat it.
You're trying to eat it. Oh, be a little cocky over there. And my chicken's really good. The pulled pork's amazing. The green beans it has pork like the greens, and I have homemade mashed potatoes. It's really good. Yeah, thank you. All right, I got seconds. I got some more pulled pork, barbecued leg, and some fruit, and banana pudding, and jello. And dessert, I got cobbler, peach cobbler, bread pudding, and apple cobbler. What'd you get over there, Marty?
I got the peach cobbler as well, just a little sample. This is the second time I went up to get some of that bread pudding. That is really good. And then you got a brownie over here that's a little crusty on the outside, but hopefully it gets better on the inside of there.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the final result. $29.20, and for two buffets, two for $12.99. It was really good.
$14.99 for the supper one.
Yeah.
And it's $14.99
For the supper. We
supper.
did $12.99 for lunch. We got water, so I think their drinks are around $3 a piece.
Yeah.
But we did the water. All in all, pretty good, I think. I'd come back, try out the dinner. A few things I weren't impressed with, but the things that were, the bread pudding was amazing. So pulled pork was good. Nachos, not so much for me, but others like them. And this one here ate about 7 biscuits, so the biscuits must be pretty good. And
Biscuit girl over there.
and then just so you know, the beets are pickled. So if you do come want regular beets, they are pickled. So.
And they're good.
So, anyways, yeah, I would recommend coming by the old Sawmill Cafe, 2299 North Washington or Forrest City. It's worth a try.
Arkansas.
Arkansas. Yeah, we're in Arkansas. All right, we'll give you a.
Yeah.
Chow so full.
Chow is so full.
Here's some of the goodies they have to purchase at the restaurant, coming in and going out. A little bit of everything here. Very cute. Some little gnomes. Nice variety, little gifts.
Well, okay, Kath, what did you think of the old Sawmill Cafe?
It was good for something different.
Yeah, I thought it was really good. We'll come back through on 40 here in Forest City. We'll stop and probably eat here again. I thought it was really good food. What do you guys think of it?
Chow so full.
I think I'm stuffed. But no, it was good.
I ate too many
We'd
rolls.
come back. Yeah, roll girl ate way too many rolls, and like I said, the pork was pretty good. A lot of stuff was actually really good. I'd like to see what dinner is all about.
All right. Well, that's it for Forest City here. We'll get back with you guys. Talk to you guys later. Bye.